Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika and that's my friend Kirti who has hidden away. So yeah, आज है संडे, आज है KFF. अगर आप रेगुलर व्लॉग्स देखते हो आपको पता है KFF क्या है. Oh my god, बहुत लोग आ गए हैं, really conscious. But we're walking so very late, so we should hurry up and I'll show you everything inside. So let's go inside. And I hope you can see Riyasat is there. This is South City Mall. That's time zone. और फटाफट भागते हुए भाई भी आ जाया है. ओके सो मील हो गया है डन. डिडंट व्लॉग मच बिकॉज काफ़ी अंधेरा था एंड कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, बट इट वाज नाइस. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं आई डोंट नो. हम लोग हर जगह देख चुके हैं, सेल में कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. Nothing is nice, don't like. We went to Steve Madden, we went to Charles and Keith and और क्या देखा, Forever New, बाकी सब नहीं, ऑल्डो नहीं, Steve Madden, Charles and Keith, so nothing nice. मतलब कुछ या प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, कैलकाटा में कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आता है मुझे. We are here at Marks and Spencer's and they have 50% off. So just checking out stuff. मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा बट या ट्राइंग सनस्क्रीन मिस्ट नहीं सॉरी स्प्रे बॉटल में. दिस इज आयुर्वेदिक फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल एक्चुअली. मुझे लगता है साउथ सिटी को नए ब्रांड्स चाहिए. दे शुड गेट सम होम ग्रोन ब्रांड्स बिकॉज इट्स truly boring. Didn't like anything. Everything is overpriced and didn't like anything at all. मतलब seriously एक चीज़ भी मेरे को अच्छी नहीं लगी है. So, but you have to check out. This is so cool यार. This whole lane. Nice. आ रहे थे तब बारिश हो रही थी और अभी धूप आ गई है. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm back home and I have ordered a bunch of stuff from these homegrown brands. Instagram पे काफ़ी देख रही थी and I really wanted to get some accessories and I quickly wanted to show you guys what all I got. So the first thing I got from this brand called Machki, इनका first year anniversary sale चल रहा था. So I got a couple of stuff. So this is the first earring. I hope you can see like this is the earring. ये shell shaped earrings हैं. Again ये बहुत beach vibe, seashells and very cute and all. मुझे काफ़ी पसंद था. It looks nice but I just wish it was smaller like the whole chain. Then they gave these earrings for free I think. Quite cute and all, very dainty sort of a thing. Then this one again is really big. I didn't think इतना बड़ा होगा. Why is this so tight? Okay. Wow. I think I've broken it only but it's okay. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट हो गया है. ओके ये काफ़ी भारी है, मे बी दैट्स व्हाई इट केम ऑफ. बट एनीवेज दिस इज अगेन अ ब्रेसलेट, अगेन वेरी बिग बट आई फील it's like a very chunky bracelet so it should look nice. I mean this is how it looks. I'm wearing घर का कपड़ा so it's of course looking weird. Seashell and ये ऐसे vibe में थे. So this is the neck thing which is I think will look really nice with the shorts and everything. Called the MB House if I'm not wrong. And again इसकी भी packaging काफ़ी अच्छी है. I got this bracelet again. I wish this was more smaller. मुझे ना यही समझ नहीं आता because when they take pictures it looks really nice. मतलब the color also looks very premium. The quality looks premium. The other earrings I got, this I love. These are the earrings. They look really pretty. I also called for golden hoops from the MB houses. This safety pin earrings, really cute and all, quite nice. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. मैं कैफेन में like I don't know Google Pay में आपको भी rewards मिलते होंगे I'm sure. So I got some coupon and I was just intrigued. Please this मैं बात करते थक गई. Okay. I got Blueberry Soul Serum Body Lotion. Smells really nice and it's really light. It's not very thick moisturizer, and this one which I've used, so I know it's really good. It smells amazing, by the way. This one is really nice and it's really light. If you have oily skin, you will actually like this one because it doesn't make you feel very मतलब ऐसे sweaty नहीं होता. This is really cute. I mean, this is not a coffee bottle, guys. This is body wash. I'm sure it smells amazing. इसको मैंने use नहीं करा है, so I just will show you guys one second. I can't find my scissors, so yeah. Okay, this seems like a lot of effort. टूट जाओ यार. Okay, I did it. बड़े nails होने का कुछ तो फायदा होना चाहिए. Okay, this is how it looks. I hope you can see this, and oh wow, oh god, this is so cool. I can't believe I get to keep this in the washroom. I think ये अंदर से खोलना होगा. Yeah, so I have to open this. Wait, let's.
कैसे खोलूंगी यार मैं? I have no idea how to open this. Amazing.
Moving on. I'll let you guys know कभी किसी और vlog में कि how is this working. I'll figure this out later. बंद भी नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से ठीक से. But very cute. I can't believe this is a body wash. Packaging के लिए 100 marks for sure. Is from Foxtail. ये आज ही आया है इसलिए एकदम ऐसे रखा हुआ है. But otherwise I've just removed every सबका packaging. Foxtail, basically my friend. I had seen her reel. She posted. She's also a content creator. So उन्होंने Foxtail के साथ कुछ collaboration करा था where she had a coupon where I could get. I'm sure उनके website पे भी होगा ये. So you buy 2 products and you get 2 products free. And I was like, why not? The first thing I got is this Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. Let me show you. ये मैंने खोला नहीं. I was just going to open, so I thought अब मैं YouTuber बन गई हूँ, so I should. And the smell should. ये तो मुझे खोलना आता है, of course. Thankfully मैंने spill नहीं किया. Smells okay, and it's purple color. When I use it, I will let you guys know. Oh my god, please. The next thing I got is this Foxtail Super Glow Moisturizer. Very excited. You know, usually I use Dot & Key and it's amazing. The blue one. I don't know the name, but it's really good. And I also use Simple ka moisturizer. These are the only 2 moisturizers I'm using. Very excited to try this brand. मैंने actually sunscreen के लिए order किया था, which I'll show you. Oh, so cute. This is what it looks like. Very tiny bottle. There's no smell as such, but I think it should be nice. I think मैंने अंकुश बहुगुणा के वीडियो में देखा था that he recommended one of the sunscreens, and I was like, I believe that guy for sure. Everything he says, I totally believe it. And this is the sunscreen I'm going to use sometime in the future and let you guys know again कि कैसा है. But again, he has said it, so I'm sure it's amazing. And of course, like all these products, 4 products I got for 1,020 rupees. I mean, steal deal for sure. They each retail for I think around 400 if I'm not wrong. So I got a pretty great deal. If you also want to order something, now is the right time. Sunscreen at least, I mean. And oh, by the way, the best part about the sunscreen is it's SPF 70. मैंने अभी तक SPF 70 कहीं नहीं देखा है. And considering Kolkata में, I don't know, like if you know that Kolkata is really very humid city. And यहाँ पे अभी तो like I think since the past 2-3 years इतनी गर्मी हो रही है and the sun is really bad. Sometimes if I have outdoor shoot, I am honestly just very scared because the whole day I don't reapply because makeup के बाद इतनी गर्मी, इतना sweat रहता है कि you can't reapply anything. So I want something which is really thick and as high as possible. So SPF 70, and this is the matte one. So it should be really good. I'm very looking forward to like trying this. Okay, last but not the least, this looks very nice. It's their oil balancing moisturizer with brightening serum pearls. This तो मतलब it's a very Instagram thing. I'm sure you must have seen this all around. Excited to use this one. And smell वगैरह तो पता नहीं, but I've got quite a lot of. It has been like amazing. Who doesn't like gifts? But this is like something that I bought for myself. So just very excited for that. But अब मैं बोलते बोलते बहुत ही थक गई हूँ. But thank you so much for watching this. Whatever